Me no eme wanwansi nipa da sani eti Ghana. No betimi ebie nano akase 10% eye sene 30.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Na emumu no 10% no nso Angel Mahama aba ani abetranse ya wahwe yanim mpanyinfu mutumafu gini na ejimi saanu
ridiculous
omu jimi wo Ghana ho saanu panyimu a wo na ofre wo ho se mako school ene de 10 enso se 30 se enso se 20 su se 25 se papa ne ba ya mohwe n'animu ni nti no papa no ba ya mohwe n'animu no enu nti no eye de mawo politics we mu na muti Ghana omu yi omu akatua na omu badwini mpo akatua na omu badi egu omu botom no mpo omu de ye politics akatua no mpo omu de ye politics you see sa niema we ne ye ka se Ghana na ewo no no enipa na egum no efa kura mponchen aponchen adwene ne do omu tiri omu ye nipa nso aboa adwene ne do omu tiri na meboa eyende no nipa wako school enwunim ade na woda ku bia no si edutu ku bia no a wode enka wo hwe the welfare of members no na nya wo as individual no de wo penya ahye wo ho ama wo ho ayede na wo nkrofo su na wo dwene ho eno ne efre wo se wo ye good leader a wo lead dombi na wo de kakra wo kwagihye wo hu nti enne no pese o ka kire Ghana fo se Angel Mahama ba ma hwe nanim ono mo be kasenti ni 10 no eye esene 30 maybe so minua nurse ni a wo wa penkuru a wo di nurse teacher ni a wo fa body ebeto me chalk de wo ikwasi mensa kurum de wo etwe eden kwanta kote e mo bo hwa ejimi eyi omom tisa kuru no so omo kira de na omo di nurse no me pa chewu womo no Angel Mahama ni omo akotena se bia na omo no de omo fa ho ni Angel Mahama ni omo akotena se ana omo sika na omo fa ho sika omo benya no omo fa ho adwuma ye ni ye adwuma wo se na katua na o sa katua ntum enti mpanyimfo no munya agimi no se jampo se ho ahwani no wonya agimi ono se sa akwa no me hyeda appetime adidi na tam ye pa because wo agimi omunya agimi no na omunyire omo ho enka asem no krenkyira aban no na aban ni hu no se ni ekono emu aban no na ekoba se bibia na politics ni sa cheap propaganda no omu ye ni nti de Angel Mahama be bia ye omu fede a yemu bi so tie akiri de Angel Mahama be ye enye ye beka na nyambe na me meka akiri obi a wote kwasi kwanta kurum se wakatua na aban Akufo Addo aban tumu ma wo sei na weso abetuma ma wo sei na de hin ne so nipa no no ane be hu ne so enti jampu ne na sefo no omutenkran ya omunu no omo ho omo sere no omo na esere omo wafom no omo ye adwuma na nya de omo sire o omo nsire baby ma menwene me ho ti omo nsire omo ani abere na omo ye edi omo tika me kai se yimire bi atwam a ye adwuma ne ye padu akatue beba ye check ye tumu a ye de calculator bossa nti we minim se midua mo nurse fo no bi ne teacher fo no bi na hyase akoro ma bodada so Akufo Addo e ma ye 30 die we de wa ba die nim se wa amfa ya ankokora 30 no be gina wa na 35 nti ya bo ehu ne ye benya enso we de wo de aba akiri wo abeto 10 to ase ate so nti se no wate so no so niema nyina ekosoro
Akufo Addo emma waiver edema doctors some crackers ba omuntua duty ni na ka labor staff no ho labor nyema ni na ka ho because ni na ka mo condition of services service no ho papa we ba ye osim yentumi doctors are crackers aba abeka port now they are fighting because in case in could demorrage. I'm telling you, President Mills ba first one no na guy bi wo ye frɛ no me refini dinner of some for auction cars Car Wilson Kofo omunia British Car Wilson. You see there are about 50 Car Wilsons in Mahama's administration, you see, good jubilee house on man. With the little mistake, they will take your car. Doctors never fight someone sabe come cars. Not where you wave and if you go. Now, Austin Gamin, he calls himself a labor expert because he has been a minister for labor before. Obekachire say Akufo Addo ma workers 30%. I wonder what he will be teaching his friend is saying. For Akufo Addo 30% was just reasonable. Just reasonable. Mahama 10% there, it is very good. Professor Jampu, by this time, essentially going for no thrown out of UTAC because he's not there to serve their interests. That man is not there to serve their interests. If you listen to his interviews on TV, I mean, painting Akufo Addo black because Akufo Addo has given the Ghanaian workers cost of living allowances. When things became hard, Akufo Addo abadaye one in Yemuntino, or see there be okay, say middle of the year he increased their salaries. Before the cost of the cola, no, it came before the cola came before the general this thing. What you say now the obaya and then senior waba. This year we are taking this 10% up to the end of the year. It's not going to be reviewed. That is what the workers should bear in mind. In fact, they should be hitting the street by this time because only there's no two about Afenyo Watkins. There's this NDC lady called Abla what Wako Afenyo Watkins papa ho akubusa no question thinking say nkobenya negative news bi ewo honom na ko de aba social media to come and paint Afenyo black, but okoye no, to her surprise, Afenyo Watkins' father, who is in the voter region, the biological father, no, has Afenyo's pictures. Afenyo graduation, he came, he was there for Afenyo, he has been there. Afenyo case has been to the man's place and all that. Meaning, say he has a very good relationship with the biological father. She went there just to fish out, say, and could be bibi boni bi every what, just because when Afenyo says one, they have to respond 1,000. They want something to just tame Afenyo Watkins. And Papa also spoke so well about Nebano. Mind you, never or not a woman. Incident I'll be to me. Even so, no one talk crana. Papa no be jump because I no one talk. And then Okoye so be okohu ofi ho. Papa no is not in the bad state. He's not in the bad state. Afenyo has been very good, very responsible guy to the father, and the father too has been very good, very responsible man to the son. In Chomo now, all the pictures, never any videos, but good social media. People were saying all sorts of things. Nina and now we are hitting them harder, and I like the way the parliamentarians are taking it up. I like it very much. Mahama na adiwe the end 2 years krana no ho afon for judging from the way Dumson about Dumson no krampo dey say there me the be Osama kra be handle Dumson